All right, you ready to go inside, get something to eat?
Yes, and for sure some wine too. For living, I'm a photographer.
I'm a registered nurse at a dialysis center. We just moved to Baton Rouge, Louisiana from Los Angeles, California.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go, Mama. Quickly, come on.
We've been together for 12 years, married for 10. We live with our pets. Well, they're like our four-legged babies. We'll have 2 cats, 3 dogs, Coco, and then she just recently had 2 puppies.
You like your tree, Mama, huh?
I've been gone for more than 30 years, and it was time to come back and spend more time with the family.
So, you know, I like older houses because I love to see a lot of details in the houses, and I like to spend a lot of time like building walls, like retouching details inside the house. So, you know, I always want to have the special touch in the house.
You know, I'm always looking for something that's ready to move in and doesn't need anything. No work, nothing. I want to spend up to $300 and not have to worry about if they did the wiring correctly or if there's something hiding behind the walls that we're not aware of. You know, I want to buy the house for $300,000, and the only way we can do that is to sell the house in Los Angeles.
Look at it this way. We got the house like 7 years ago. In the house, we pay like $520, right? How much the value of your house is right now in 7 years? Is 1.2. So you never, ever, even if you got 2 or 3 jobs, you're never gonna save $700,000 in 7 years. No. It's like a little saving for our future. Plus, it's the first house that we got together. We have a lot of memories in the house. It's a lot of love. I will say, like, I want to spend like $150,000 so we can keep the house in Los Angeles. We can get a cheaper house here.
If we keep it, then there's no way we're gonna be able to afford this house that I would want.
You know what I was thinking too?
What's that?
For sure, we need a big space just for the living room. You know, like, because remember in Los Angeles how I like to have all my Christmas trees, like, and I have to make sure that I have enough space for all these Christmas trees throughout the house and my decoration. Like, how far away are you okay to get the house from your sister?
I'd say at the maximum, maybe 20 minutes maximum.
Your brother lives 30 minutes away from her, and she always said that's a long drive. So why make you think the 20 minutes she's not gonna say there's a long drive?
Because it's less than 30. It's good to have a move-in-ready house. That way, you're not coming home from work and then having to work even more.
But, you know, I love doing my own projects. Also, you know, like having my special touch.
Right.
You know, like my signing shirt that says Cesar.
Oh, wow. Look at it. Very nice.
Yeah, it is beautiful, but, you know, it's just too plain for me. Doesn't have the, you know, the charming characters that I'm looking for with details and a lot of things
It
for
has
me
a
to
lot
work.
of character.
How are you?
Good. How are you today?
I'm great. Baton Rouge is a great place to live. We have lots of job opportunities, lots of affordable housing. We have some great schools in the area. And I think Hollis and Cesar are seeing just how much further their dollar will go here. This house, if it were in California, would go for $1 to $2 million. Wanted to show you both this house because it's move-in ready. It's very close to your sister's house.
How far away?
10 minutes max.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lucy, I'm home.
Let's start over here and take a look at the bedrooms.
Perfect.
You have 3 guest bedrooms.
Very nice.
Walk-in closets.
Oh, it's a lot of storage.
It is very
Good.
nice.
So the other 2 bedrooms are just mirror images, same,
Okay.
identical as that one.
Perfect. I like the color of the floor. It looks great.
It does.
Wow.
For the guest bathroom, double sinks.
This is the guest bathroom?
Yes.
Double sink? Okay.
You have a garage and your utility room.
They have a sink in here. Very nice.
This is the primary.
Oh, very nice. Big enough for the Cal King with the 2 nightstands.
Oh, my Lord.
I'm in heaven.
You have double vanities,
Yes.
separate shower and tub.
I
It's a soaker tub. Take a look at the closet.
Oh, surprise, surprise.
This walk-in closet?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Look at that. My shoes will be like right up here. I can put like maybe 3 pair of shoes.
Not
in
even,
each one.
maybe I have to put these in a ladder for him in order for him.
And then I have
to
all
his
of
shoes.
these up here for my shoes and over here. This is perfect.
This is your living space.
We have a fireplace. Okay, here you go. Christmas tree over here.
One another
And
here.
Christmas tree over there, and that's it.
No.
Nope, that's it. Cesar knows that I like Christmas trees. The thing I don't like is the number, because the more stuff you put on the trees, somebody's got to take them down, and he's not going to do it all by himself. I like the openness.
You know, it's a lot of lighting.
A lot of light.
Especially, you know, the high
Natural light.
ceilings.
Love the high ceilings. And it flows directly into the kitchen.
Yes.
I love the space in the kitchen. It's open.
Yes.
I don't feel crowded.
I can imagine the price in this house in Los Angeles, California. Even if it's not a nice neighborhood, it will be like 2.5, 3 million.
Yeah,
All right, that's a very big backyard.
it's very big.
Yes. The only downside for me is there's no fence.
There is no fence. You would have to put a fence.
It's just, you know, it's a lot of money building the wood fence, but I can just picture the babies here. They're gonna have a lot of fun here.
Yes,
Yeah,
they will.
would. I really love this house. I love that it's modern, it's move-in ready. I like the location
Yes.
because it's really close to my sister. And I like that there's a big backyard. The only downside for me about that is there's no fence.
Hollis and Cesar are headed to see a remodeled house that's farther from Hollis's sister.
They said it was 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it's 149.
Sounds like too nice to be true.
So this is the house. I mean, it looks nice. Fingers crossed. Let's go see.
It's a little bit like the style that I was looking for.
But-
I love this one. This one is like really, this one is like Louisiana style.
Yeah. Hello, hello.
Hello, come in, come
How are
in.
you?
What do you think?
Very, very nice.
Very nice. It's a flip, so it's all been redone. New floors, new windows, new crown molding, new baseboards, everything.
So nothing to do for me?
Well, you could put your personal touches.
I like it.
You like?
It's really nice.
You know something I really like about this part of the house?
Yes.
Is like that I can have my 4 Christmas trees.
You can have your 4 Christmas trees. There's lots of room here for those.
And I love the molding in the top.
The recessed lighting is
The floor
new.
looks nice.
Yes,
I was not expecting this.
for the price,
Yes.
this is
But
very nice. And you could put your dining table here
Very
under
nice.
the chandelier.
They forgot to put the, how do you call them, the caulking thing, like to cover
Caulk?
the...
He's just looking for things to do.
There's a project.
I need to find something. This house look like doesn't need anything.
It's
I
in,
mean, like,
it's
you
very
want
nice.
something to do? You can go outside and wash my truck.
This way is your first guest bedroom.
Oh, this
Check
is
out-
nice. Wow. This is pretty decent size.
It is a good size for a guest room. This is your guest bathroom.
Wow, they did a great job.
They did.
Wow, this is nice.
Yes.
But what am I gonna do here? I don't have anything to do
You
here.
can help me move the furniture in and sit down and just enjoy it.
This is one of 2 bedrooms in the house that have an ensuite.
I like that the shower's back in here, but I don't know about this
You could
plastic
take that
thing.
out and make the entire room a wet room.
You just found a
I
project.
found you a
for me.
project. Yes.
Oh, it looks really nice.
Very
Yes.
nice. I love the space.
Granite counters,
Very nice. Yes.
stainless appliances, recessed lighting.
These are brand new.
Yes, yes.
I love all the cabinet space. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Is this a big cabinet? Oh, no. This must be like a 24. Love the
Yeah.
fact that there are drawers. You can put things in drawers.
Yes. And this way could be another option for a primary suite.
Oh, nice. It's a decent size. Very nice.
A lot of space. There is an ensuite bath. There is a closet.
Okay.
You could bring the wall out to here and
Yeah.
make this a walk-in closet.
True.
The fence
Decent.
is brand new.
Okay, I like the fence.
It's a little bit small for the babies. I mean, like they have enough space, but I think it's a little bit small. I just, I really like the price. I like the house. And the only thing for me is I don't think the backyard is big enough for me.
I mean, I love the house. I like the fact that it's move-in ready.
Yes.
I don't like that this house is so far from my sister's house.
Okay.
30 minutes.
Okay.
I want to give her an incentive to come visit.
Okay. Gotcha.
I was thinking, by me moving all the way from Los Angeles here, maybe you will be okay with me to have some extra Christmas trees.
No, 4 was enough.
They're seeing a home close to Hollis's sister that might be what Cesar wants.
It doesn't look like it doesn't need a lot of work.
Well, I'm sure a price range of $130,000 is going to be a lot of work for you to do.
It doesn't look too bad.
Not the modern style that I wanted, but
I like that it's a ranch.
Knock, knock.
Hi,
Hello,
come on in. What did you think?
Looks a little bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Good, good. This is the living room.
Okay, a little small,
A little.
you know, because
You know, I'm not gonna have a space to put my Christmas decoration here.
Okay.
we can have one tree this year.
No,
This is the kitchen area. It's been recently renovated.
I don't want to look on my right hand side. Lisa, don't tell me that we're gonna have this here.
That is the laundry room. You're gonna have to do a stackable unit here and maybe put a little cabinet around it to hide it.
I really can. Can you really see, like doing laundry and everything here?
Well, no, I mean, I wanted the laundry room close to the bedroom, but not in the kitchen close.
The cabinets are newer. The countertops
Is
are
this
also
new?
But I would have to say I do
Hollis,
want.
look.
Oh, my Lord.
You know, it might happen to somebody. You know, like I just move and look at this. No. Try that one. It might go too. No.
No, this
Let me
doesn't
try this
move.
one.
No, that one
No?
doesn't move. When you look at the pictures, it looks brand new. And of course, it fools you as soon as you see that. But once you walk inside and you get to see it up close, nothing is brand new. It's just something that they made look decent and then they covered it up. That's something I don't want to have to deal with.
nice big closet.
When
your
have you seen a
scrubs?
closet with these kind of doors?
I know.
That's your timeout closet when you start misbehaving.
No, because I'm gonna be like. No, this one has to go. It looks
Okay.
ugly.
Well,
This is your ensuite bath.
this isn't even tile. It's like, I don't know, paperboard or something.
You know, I can always put tile for you. You want tile?
I like the sink, but the door don't even stay closed.
Look at the toilet.
It's a lot of projects.
I mean, like just by having, what is this door going to?
Maybe it's the walk-in closet.
That door goes into the backyard.
The back.
I think it was the walk-in closet.
No.
Do we
Where
have
it
one?
was.
No,
Is this the only door to go outside?
that is the only door.
Okay. I can work with the
The
backyard.
backyard's very nice, completely fenced.
The dogs will love this back here.
Yes. Full bathroom.
Oh, my Lord. There's popcorn on the ceiling.
Yes.
I don't know when
Oh.
this house was built, but this bathroom hasn't been changed since.
You know, I love doing projects in the house. All this has to go. Walls, doors, shower, tile.
You have a second bedroom here.
Okay, this one's a decent size. I like the windows.
The floors are
They're
nice.
not too big.
I like the floors, but maybe in the future, I mean, like, you know, I like tile. I don't like this one, especially because
Okay.
we have the dogs and the cats.
Okay.
Yeah, and they love to tear things apart.
You
This is my walk-in closet.
you could easily turn this
I have to
small
go.
bedroom into a walk-in closet.
Yeah. You know, one of the best things about this house, you know, it's 5 minutes from my sister's house.
Yes.
And she's just right up the street here.
Yes.
But for me, the primary bedroom, the size is nice, but that box with the sliding glass door, I don't know,
I know,
what that
that's
was
so
supposed to
tough.
be. That was like an afterthought.
I really don't like that this house doesn't really have any characters, but something I really love about this one is I can have so many things to put my personal touch in
Yes.
the house. It's better than just, you know, spending like $300,000 on the brand new house that he wants, right?
Now let's talk about the house that you know I really love, that modern move-in ready home. There's a lot I like about this house. Big kitchen, lots of space. We have a big backyard. The only downside to that is we're gonna have to spend money to put up a fence.
I don't want to get rid of the house in Los Angeles. It doesn't really have anything for me to do, no projects.
Then we're gonna have to get you a hobby.
What do you think about the other house? The one that has a little bit like Louisiana style touch?
It was nice. I like the large living room, you know, dining room area that was pretty decent size.
I mean, like the backyard is a little bit small, but I mean, like it has what we need. It's like ready to move in, and it's just 149. We still keep our house in Los Angeles.
The only thing is, you know, it's too far from my sister.
So let's start talking about the White House that has a lot of projects.
I do like the backyard. It's a decent size for the puppies. There's a fence already, but the closet space was not, it's very small.
The part that I like the most is it has a lot of projects for me to, you know, put my special touch.
I mean, I get that you want this projects, but when I get out of work, I'm exhausted. And the last thing I want to do is come home and have to work again.
We have to choose a home. By the time we want to get it, it's not gonna be there. So
No.
we have to choose one.
All right, so the shrimp is almost done. The house that we chose is the white house that needs a lot of work.
We chose this house because it has a lot of projects for me. And at the same time, we can keep our house in Los Angeles, California.
The list price was $130. We ended up paying, what,
We were
120?
lucky enough to get it for $120.
$120, because there was so much wrong with it. Having a home here in Baton Rouge now is great, because now my family can literally drive 5 minutes to come see us.